In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Elementor from WordPress. If you've decided that Elementor is no longer the right fit for your website, or maybe you're looking to switch to a different page builder, you'll want to follow these steps carefully to ensure that you remove it completely and safely. Firstly, let's make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your site's content and settings. Once inside the dashboard, you'll want to head over to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see a tab called Plugins. Give that a click. Plugins in WordPress are like apps on your phone. They add extra features and functionalities to your site, and Elementor is one of them. Now that you're in the plugins area, you'll see a list of all the plugins that are installed on your WordPress site. Scroll through this list until you find Elementor. Once you spot it, look just below the plugin's name for the option that says Deactivate. Go ahead and click Deactivate. What this does is it turns off Elementor's features on your site, but it hasn't yet removed it completely. With Elementor now deactivated, you'll notice the Delete option appears in its place. So, now you'll want to click on Delete. A pop-up will then appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this plugin. Don't worry, this is just a safety measure to make sure you didn't accidentally click delete. If you're certain about proceeding, click OK. Now that you have deleted Elementor, it's crucial to check your site for any leftover shortcodes or empty spaces, as Elementor might have left behind some elements that need cleaning up. Manually go through your pages and posts to spot any artifacts that need attention. If the changes are extensive, you might consider switching themes or reverting pages to their pre-Elementor versions. Additionally, if you had saved any templates or specific layouts using Elementor, those would be tied to the plugin and might not be functional anymore. So, ensure you have backups or saved versions if you plan to use them outside of Elementor. Finally, it's always a good idea to do some general housekeeping. As you remove plugins, it's also an excellent time to check if other plugins need updating, or if there are any other unnecessary plugins you could remove to keep your site streamlined and fast. And that's it, you've successfully uninstalled Elementor from your WordPress site. Remember, taking the time to remove unused plugins can really help in keeping your site optimized and secure. Thanks for following along, and tune in next time for more WordPress tips and tricks.